Hello world, it's me, Pierre, aka Nina, Bonina, Banana, Fafana, Osama, Bin Laden Brown, and I am gonna be doing a yarn fantasy. I'm putting on the primer to protect my skin.
My daddy Larry me, granny my grandma Rick. Go mix that west side with that south to get that cocky heat.
Now I am going to glue down my eyebrows. I hate it. Gluing down the eyebrows are the worst part.
I go for mine, don't waste no time, and I ain't never stopping.
I'm going to set some powder on my brows to set the glue. We are going to put the foundation on. Today I'm using a Kryolan TV paint stick. It's really thick.
I look good in that grind, and I grind.
Also, oh yes, you thought I was done? I'm not done. I'm putting on a liquid foundation.
And I grind, come for mine. Why you try? Where my ladies who be stacking that baby?
Now we're going to put on some concealer. You know, in your little T-zone areas. You want to highlight under here. You want to highlight here on the bridge of your nose.
Get it, girl, don't lose all of your flavor. Where my ladies who be stacking that paper. Where my ladies who be stacking that paper. Spit your game, show you got drive in that flavor. Get it, girl, don't lose all of your flavor. I'ma give you life when I throw this money up on you. I'ma give you life when I throw this money up on you. Bad little bunny getting money, it's a competition. Steph Curry up the backboard. I ain't worried about it, come up, chef certified star. Wanna win that work for it. I'm the one they love, don't trip, I'm fucking amazing.
It's time to put on some eyeshadow. So yeah, we're going to start with light building, whatever colors you want to use in the rainbow.
Where my ladies who be stacking that paper. Where my ladies who be stacking that paper. Spit your game and show you dropping your flavor.
I'm going to go ahead and put on some eyelashes.
Don't you lose all your paper. Where my ladies who be stacking that paper. Where my ladies who be stacking that paper. Spit your game or you got dropping your flavor. Spit your game and show you dropping your flavor. Get it, girl, don't you lose all your paper.
I think I'm going to add some like little pearls throughout. I'm going to go ahead and start on my lip. I line it first, put on my lip color.
Spit your game or you got dropping your flavor. Spit your game and show you dropping your flavor. Get it, girl, don't you lose all your flavor. Get it, girl, don't lose all of your flavor. No.
The hardest part for this look will probably just be trying to figure out what you want to do with it, because you can always change it. You don't have to like do exactly what I do. You can do your own thing.
So my name is Yao. You may know me as Way of Yao from Instagram or YouTube, and I am a social media influencer. I have quite a few different inspirations. I tend to draw from androgyny as a main theme for my makeup. You know, people like Grace Jones really inspire me. You know, heavy makeup, really bold colors, that's what I live for.
You, I'm sick of trying when all you've got is lying. 'Cause you, I'm sick of trying when all you've got is lying. Wasting all my time. But you.
So for this look, I wanted to create something that represents freedom.
You.
I feel as though in today's day and age, anybody can wear makeup, whether it be a man, a woman, or neither.
You, I'm sick of trying when all you've got is lying.
And so I really wanted to go with that pride theme, where you've got almost like a rainbow sort of look going on.
Wasting all my time. You, I'm sick of trying when all you've got is lying. You, I'm sick of trying.
I decided to include the black liner because I really wanted something strong and fierce to really pierce through this look and be that finishing touch. So due to me doing a rainbow look on the face, I decided I would add contrast in the lips by using a matte black lipstick.